Welcome back! Today let's talk about the good old Canon EOS R. Released back in 2018, the EOS R was Canon's first RF mount camera. Its 30.3 megapixel sensor delivers a great image quality and performance for on-the-go productions. But should you buy the Canon EOS R in 2024? Let's talk about that. And first let's take a closer look at what the Canon EOS R brings to the table. With its full-frame sensor, advanced autofocus system and sleek design, it's no wonder why many photographers were drawn to this camera. And for me, the overall design is still great. It's not too big and not too small, and the overall handling is absolutely great. The only thing that I don't really like is this touch bar here. I've never used it and I don't know anyone who actually liked the touch bar. And yes, if we take a look at newer RF cameras, we can see that Canon also decided to get rid of the touch bar as well. But yeah, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, the EOS R offers a range of features to suit your needs. From its versatile lens options to its intuitive touchscreen interface, it's clear that Canon put a lot of thought into this camera. Especially Canon's user-friendly interface makes it way easier for beginners and experienced users to find all kinds of settings. And in combination with the ergonomic design, it ensures a great shooting experience. And for me, the overall handling and menu structure is super important because I want to set my focus on the production and not on the camera itself. And that's a perfect opportunity to mention the good old flip-out screen. And especially for these hybrid cameras, this one is a must-have for me, because it makes it way easier to get my work done. And gladly in these days all kind of cameras are equipped with such a display, making it way easier to take shots from various angles. But what's about lenses? And yes, Canon's RF lineup has grown a lot in the last couple of years. With numerous high-quality lenses available, you can easily find the best lens for any shooting scenario. I actually fully upgraded most of my lenses to the RF mount, but even if you don't have the budget to buy all kind of RF lenses, you can easily use this EF to RF adapter to use EF lenses in combination with the EOS R. So there are plenty of options available that you can use to get your work done, and especially the EF glass is still perfect for photo and video productions. But let's talk about what really matters: performance and image quality. And I have to say that I still love the image quality of the Canon EOS R. The raw footage is absolutely great to get the right tones for your specific needs, the colors are vibrant, the details are sharp, and the dynamic range is absolutely great. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or all kind of other scenes, the EOS R still delivers great results. And let's not forget the autofocus. For sure in these days there are cameras out there that have improved autofocus systems, but to be honest here, I never had any issues to get great shots. Even in these days the Canon EOS R is still in my camera bag as my backup camera, and it never let me down. If you want to check out some more shots from the Canon EOS R, including some before and after photos, follow me on Instagram, there you can find plenty of additional photos. And of course, let's talk about video next. In these days there are for sure a variety of cameras out there that offer advanced video features. So yeah, the Canon EOS R is definitely not the best camera for video productions in these days, especially if you take a look at the 4K crop for example. But in my opinion, it is still more than capable of capturing high quality footage in up to 4K crop resolution. I personally still use the Canon EOS R to record some shorts and top-down shots, and it handles it all with ease. So basically, if you're mainly a photographer and you also want to capture a couple of clips, that is still fine. But if you're mainly a videographer, I would pick up newer cameras to avoid any issues in the long run. So should you buy the Canon EOS R in 2024? Well, at the end of the day it depends on what you need and what you want to do. If you're in the market for a reliable and capable camera that delivers excellent image quality and performance, then the EOS R is still worth considering. You can easily use it to take some high quality photos in the next couple of years. But if you're mainly looking for a video camera, I think there are better options out there without any crops and overall better features that are worth it to check out. But at the end of the day, I think the EOS R is still worth it, especially if you buy a used version. So, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you need, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.